Even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. Everything will bring a chain of love. In the morning when I run, it's you try to my eyes to tell me everything's gonna be alright. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll be teaching you how to play Danny's song by Loggins on a ukulele. So ito po ay request si Mr. Kevin Magdaluyo. So first, grab your ukulele, tune it to standard tuning, and let's begin. So, intro nito ay D, then sa verse ay D, then C, B minor, then E7, then A. Then ang strumming pattern na gagamitin natin dito ay down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. People smile and tell me I'm a lucky one. We've just begun. Think I'm gonna have a son. He will be like she and me as we sit down. And I'm saving love. Sun's gonna shine above. Then sa chorus ito ay G, A, D, then B minor twice, then G, A, D, then C, B minor, E7, then A. Even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. Everything will bring a chain of love. In the morning when I run, it's you try to my eyes to tell me everything's gonna be alright. So, yun ang kantang Danny's song by Loggins. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.